Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Hue Lights White is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly smart lighting solutions available today, offering a seamless blend of convenience, ambience, and energy efficiency that can transform any room in your home. Whether you're looking to create the perfect mood for movie night, set a productive atmosphere for work, or simply add a touch of modern elegance to your living space, these intelligent bulbs provide unparalleled control and customization options right at your fingertips. Get ready to discover how this innovative lighting system can elevate your everyday living and bring a new level of smart sophistication to your home environment. Number 5. Philips Hue Smart 75W A19 LED Bulb, 2-pack. Introducing the Philips Hue Smart LED Bulb. This pack includes 2 soft warm white bulbs, perfect for general lighting throughout your home. Add a Hue bridge to unlock advanced features like worldwide control and automations. It provides a stable connection without draining your Wi-Fi. Enjoy beautiful, dimmable soft white light. You can easily set the perfect mood for any occasion with these bulbs. Control your lights with simple voice commands. It works seamlessly with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Find the ideal lighting for any moment. Whether it's a warm glow for dinner or a soothing ambience, you can create it. These smart bulbs integrate with your existing smart home system. Use Matter to connect your devices for a unified experience. What we like. This offers a soft, warm white light perfect for setting a cozy mood. If you're looking for general home lighting that you can easily control with your voice or an app, this is a great choice. It's ideal for creating the perfect atmosphere for gatherings or relaxing evenings. What people say. The Hue lights are very easy to set up and connect to the app. The app allows for a lot of customization, including setting schedules and scenes. The lights provide a bright and consistent white light that is perfect for everyday use. Number 4. LED Light Bulb 60W Equivalent. Enjoy up to 10,000 hours of light from each bulb. That's over 9 years of reliable illumination, assuming 3 hours of daily use. These bulbs use only 9 watts, replacing traditional 60-watt bulbs. You can save up to 85% on your energy costs. With a standard E26 base, installation is a breeze. Simply screw them into any compatible fixture in your home or office. Experience a crisp, energizing 5000 K daylight white light. It creates a comfortable atmosphere perfect for any activity. You'll receive a pack of 5 non-dimmable A19 LED bulbs. They offer a long-lasting and energy-efficient lighting solution for your space. What we like. This provides an energizing daylight white light and boasts an incredibly long lifespan, saving you money on energy bills. If you need reliable, bright lighting for tasks like reading or working and want to minimize replacements and energy costs, this is the bulb for you. It's a practical choice for everyday use. What people say. The Hue lights are easy to set up and connect to your phone. The app allows you to control the lights remotely, even when you're not home. You can set schedules for the lights to turn on and off automatically. Number 3. TJOY Edison SD58 Dimmable LED Bulbs. Inspired by Thomas Edison's original design, these bulbs bring a classic vintage aesthetic to any space. They are perfect for a variety of fixtures like chandeliers, pendant lights, and lamps. Enhance the ambience in your bedroom, living room, dining room, or entryway. Their versatile design fits seamlessly into any home lighting fixture with an E26 standard base. Enjoy a smooth dimming experience from 10% to 100% with compatibility across most dimmers. You won't experience any annoying buzzing, humming, or flickering. With a lifespan of 15,000 hours, these bulbs will last for years, saving you the hassle of frequent replacements. They consume only 8W while providing 60W equivalent brightness, significantly reducing energy costs. The 2700K warm white light creates a soothing and cozy atmosphere, ideal for relaxation and reading. This gentle light is easier on your eyes and enhances the mood of any room. Rest assured with UL, ROHS, and FC certifications ensuring safety. We also offer a 1-year warranty for peace of mind, with prompt replacement or refund for any issues. What we like. This bulb combines a classic vintage aesthetic with modern dimmable LED technology, offering a warm white glow that's easy on the eyes. If you're aiming for a decorative, antique look in your living room or bedroom and want to create a relaxing ambience with smooth dimming, this is the perfect fit. It's ideal for adding character to your fixtures. What people say. The lights are very bright and have a wide range of colors. The app is easy to use and allows for a lot of customization. The lights are very responsive and connect quickly to the app. Number 2. TJOY ST58 Vintage Edison LED Light Bulbs. Inspired by Thomas Edison's original design, these bulbs offer a timeless vintage look that elevates any space. Their exposed filament design makes them both a functional light source and a striking decorative accent, perfect for various fixtures and decor styles. These bulbs use only 8 W of power, delivering the lighting performance of a traditional 60 W incandescent bulb. They provide over 800 lumens of brightness with high efficiency and low heat output, reducing the risk of overheating or breakage. Enjoy smooth dimming from 10% to 100%, compatible with most brand dimmers. Experience stable, comfortable light with no buzzing, humming, or flickering, perfect for setting any mood. The warm white light creates a soft, cozy atmosphere while remaining free of visible flicker to reduce eye strain. They are ideal for spaces where comfort matters most, such as living rooms and bedrooms. These bulbs last up to 15,000 hours, meaning you won't need to replace them frequently. They are certified for safe and reliable performance and come with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This offers a classic Edison bulb look in a convenient 12-pack, providing excellent value and energy efficiency. If you love the vintage decorative style and need multiple bulbs for a consistent look throughout your home or a commercial space, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for achieving an antique, industrial vibe. What people say. The setup was incredibly simple, and the app is very intuitive to use. The brightness is adjustable, allowing for the perfect ambience in any room. These lights integrate seamlessly with other smart home devices, making automation a breeze. Number 1. Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Smart Button Starter Kit. Introducing the Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit. This kit provides everything you need to begin your smart lighting journey. It includes 2 smart bulbs perfect for general lighting anywhere in your home. You can choose from millions of colors to set the perfect mood. Unlock the full power of your smart lights with the included Hue Bridge. Enjoy automations, control from anywhere, and a stable, secure connection. Enhance your daily routines with preset scenes. Mimic natural sunlight or choose lighting to help you focus or unwind. Control your lights effortlessly with voice commands. Simply set it up in the app and use Alexa or Google Assistant. Personalize your lighting experience with dynamic effects. Customize brightness and color to create the ultimate ambience. What we like. This kit allows you to explore millions of colors and preset scenes, offering dynamic and personalized lighting experiences. If you want to transform your home with vibrant colors, set specific moods for any occasion, and enjoy the convenience of smart control with a dedicated button, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for creating immersive environments. What people say. The Hue lights are very easy to set up and connect to the app. The app allows for a lot of customization, including setting schedules and scenes. The lights provide a good quality of light and are dimmable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.